What's going on, guys? This is Mauricio back at it again with another video for you guys. Today we are going to be working on a 2022 Model X. Now, this customer is only wanting to do the side windows. They do not want to do the back or the top windows. So this is a perfect opportunity for me to show you how I go about getting those tinted. It's a fairly easy process simply by doing one easy step. So stay tuned and we'll show you how to get that done right now. But before we get started, check out that new pin right there. I know you guys see that little mini red dot. If you guys are interested, go ahead and comment below, say that you want one. I'll go ahead and let you know how to get one now. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this Model X. So we're going to start off by removing the outer trim. You want the window fully rolled down. Roll it towards you and up, and just go all the way down, pulling it in an even motion. Next thing you want to do is roll up your window, but pull it towards you so it doesn't scrape. And then you're going to go ahead and do the installation of the tint. We are using a plotter cut here, so we're not going to teach how to hand cut, but this essentially is how to do the installation. You want to do your in pattern, put all your fingers towards the bottom. Here, as you can see, there was some fingers on the side, so we just lift it, press it back down, and continue shrinking all the fingers that pop up. So lift it up once more, lock down your edges, and you're going to do a second shrink there, just so that way you ensure that there's no fingers later on. As you can see, without the trim piece, you can push that window back quite a bit, and it allows a lot of room for that film to sit in there. You want to go ahead and scrape the glass, scrape it some more, just to make sure there's no dirt on there. You can also use a scrub pad. Clean your edges, squeegee off the dirty water. You want to peel your liner on your film, load it. You want to adjust it where it fits, and then just start squeegeeing the water out. Now we're going to do our second pass with our hard squeegee. Now to put the trim back, you want to start and the opposite end, so the opposite way of how you removed it. You want to pull the window towards you to allow space for that trim to go back in place. Give it a little wiggle, make sure it's in place, push it back all the way, and you're done. Give the window a nice little scrub. We're going to file the edges on this one. As you can see, perfect finish. Now for the rear, go ahead and grab your gasket tool here. And what you want to do is just go ahead and twist it in between both of those trims. This is going to create some space for your finger to fit through. All you want to do is just go ahead and pull towards you to create a bigger gap. It'll look something like this. You'll feel where it hits. What you want to do now is with this piece that's coming out, you want to roll towards you and pull up at the same time. This will allow it to come out fairly easy. And again, just go ahead and take it off evenly all the way towards the end. Same thing with this one. Create your inch. Wrap up your shrink here. On this one also, we're going to be doing that secondary shrink. You're going to want to open up the opposite side because you're going to be entering through there. Without the trim here, as you can see, there's a lot of room for you to also bottom load. But in this case, we're going to be doing a two-stage. We're going to add some tape here on the suede, just so that way it doesn't bring in any fibers. Prep your window. Spray your seals. So here we have our film ready to two-stage. We went ahead and pulled it from the front passenger side. And because we can push the window back so much, it's very easy just to get full coverage on that glass without having to worry about it getting caught in between those seals. And now you're just going to go ahead and clean that bottom. Spray, and as you can see, it just slides right in. There's no seal, no anything that gets in the way. So it allows for a very, very quick bottom load. Now to put the trim piece back on there, you're going to want to do the opposite. Again, you're going to start on this end and pretty much leave the same amount of clearance that you did whenever you pulled it off. You want to push towards the glass here and push down at the same time. So you're doing it the opposite. Once it's set, you're just pushing it back in place and you're done. As you can see, the trim piece is back in there. It takes only a few minutes. And this is the final product, guys. Super clean installation. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.